Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Today, I'm gonna be making soy milk hot pot. It's December, it's really cold outside. We love hot pot dish in winter season. So I'm gonna be making hot pot today and using cabbage and pork in soy milk soup. It's very tasty and it's simple, easy. Yes. And one more reason I am making hot pot dish because our good friend Aine-san gave us this one. It's interesting shape. This is cabbage called bamboo shoot cabbage. Yeah, shape is like bamboo shoots. It's interesting. And also she gave us this shiitake mushroom. It's very good for nabe. Let's get started. As I mentioned, today's main ingredient is this cabbage. So I will make a julienne cabbage, sengiri cabbage first. You can cut this cabbage with a knife directly, but I release every single leaf because it is good to keep in the refrigerator. This cabbage, the shape is really interesting. Okay, this is enough, I think. And I make it julienne like this. It's so much. I'm using about 5 or 6 leaves, but it's quite much. I like cabbage, no problem. And after I boiled, the amount will be reduced. Zack, zack, zack to. Zack, zack. Okay, like this. Then set aside. And shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms. How many? I think 4 is enough. Then remove the stem part. Only this part I cut it out. Other part I use. This part is good for dashi. And make crisscross cut. You can make this like this. It's more beautiful, but it's time consuming. You don't have to do this. And this is for dashi. Slice. Then set aside. And another ingredient, enoki mushroom. So remove the stem part. Nice enoki mushroom. And shimeji mushrooms. Today I bought these kind, very easy one. It's already teared up. And tofu. Cut into cube. Then set aside. And 1 onion. So I will cut into 4 like this. 4 wedges of onion, small size onion. And one more vegetable is this sprouts. This one is green peas sprouts. Yeah, like this. We call it tomyo. So, just cut from the the root part, like this. And other ingredients is pork belly and ground sesame seeds. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Okay, every ingredients are ready, so let's make hot pot. So, in the pot, pour 500 milliliter, about 2 US cups of soy milk, and add about 2 teaspoons of instant dash powder, and 60 milliliter, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sake. If you don't have sake, please omit it. Ground sesame seed, and once dissolve well. Here, add some vegetables and some mushrooms, onion, shiitake mushroom. Don't forget to add the stem part, sliced stem part, and enoki mushroom, and shimeji mushrooms. And another thing, tofu. Not all, some tofu. And cook this on low heat, slowly cooking. You can get mushroom umami so nicely. Okay, start cooking on low heat. Because I am cooking on low heat, it takes a little bit of time, but trust me, mushroom loves the slowly cooking. The umami comes out from mushrooms. Okay, it is boiling. Then remove the foam. Remove foam first. Smells so nice. I believe it contains so much umami inside. But you don't have to take all forms completely. Okay, here. So, put pork meat. Put some pork meat inside. And today's main ingredients, cabbage. You can eat so much cabbage after you cook. Boom. Cabbage and pork. Looks nice. Very appetizing for me. Done. Add tomyo. The pea sprouts. You can eat this sprouts raw, so you don't have to cook so long time. Okay, I think it's enough. Then take 1 slice of pork meat and take cabbage and this tomyo sprouts. Hold like this. So, いただきます。Smells nice. Tomyo aroma is good. It contains so much nutrition. Pork is nice. I added soy sauce and dashi inside of this豆乳, soy milk, so you don't have to use any dipping sauce. The シャキシャキっとキャベージ。 So this cabbage is shredded cabbage, so very easy to eat. Already it's cooked. I want to eat mushrooms. しいたけ mushrooms. Oh, 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 oh. It's tasty, flavorful. This soup, let's take some. Delicious. The sesame seeds flavor gives a nice accent. 美味しい、美味しい。You can use a variety of ingredients, not only today's one. You can use your favorite ingredients for this dish. 豆乳 soy milk is a very good soup for nabe, hot pot dish. Soy milk hot pot dish is really tasty. So if you have a chance, please try. It's really good. So hope you guys enjoyed today's My Dinner Diary. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye. Oh, subscribe. Noodle time. Put some water inside and boil it. Put noodles. This is chicken ramen, little bit crushed. And center, put egg. Okay. Cook 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Is it ready? I don't think so. A little bit more. But instruction says 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. It's kind of okay. It's kind of ready. いただきます。Yay. I love noodles for nabe, after nabe.